Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Excellency, the Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Honorable Federal Ministers, Service Chief, General and Air Officers, distinguished guests from People Republic of China, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It is my profound privilege to welcome you to the induction ceremony of J-10C aircraft. Indeed, it is a historic occasion, and I'm extremely grateful to the Prime Minister for gracing this event with his extreme presence. I also express my deep gratitude to all the distinguished guests for honoring us with their presence today. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a challenging time in the wake of evolving global and regional environment. The rapidly changing geostrategic environment has profound impact on the region as well as Pakistan. In addition, pace of changing technology in contemporary world continuously to alter the character of war at fast pace. Advancement in space, network, electronic warfare, cyberspace, nanotechnology, and miniaturization coupled with artificial intelligence have profoundly affected the traditional concept of national security and defense. In order to provide safe and secure environment to our nation against all threat, the armed forces of Pakistan continue to synergize their effort, bridging capability gap through timely induction programs. Considering modern parameters of warfare, induction of J-10C aircraft into Pakistan arsenal today is a result of one such combined effort, which merit profound appreciation at all levels. Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, I must acknowledge outstanding support that the PF received from the government of Pakistan under your able leadership, despite challenges and stress of COVID pandemic. This milestone could not have been possible without your kind patronage in providing the fiscal space to equip Pakistan Air Force with this weapon system within a short span of 8 months. I would like to make a special mention of the all-out support by the Chief of Army Staff. I may also mention that